Today, you'll discover every hidden step behind America's favorite loaded beef nachos, from fresh corn to perfectly packaged meals.
Before we reveal the biggest secret inside this factory, subscribe now for more incredible food factory documentaries every week.
Everything begins with premium American corn, selected under incredibly strict quality standards. This powerful cleaning system removes every impurity before the corn enters production.
The corn is finally ready, but what happens next completely transforms it.
Here's a process most people have never seen, and it's one reason tortilla chips taste completely different from ordinary corn. Not every corn kernel is accepted. Thousands are rejected before production even begins. These machines can grind thousands of pounds of corn every single hour. The perfect tortilla begins with one carefully controlled dough mixture. Most people never realize the dough must rest before becoming tortilla chips.
Thousands of perfect tortillas are formed every minute with incredible precision.
Before becoming crispy chips, every tortilla passes through enormous baking tunnels. This machine cuts thousands of perfect tortilla triangles every minute. Now comes the moment that creates the signature crunch everyone loves.
The seasoning recipe is one of the factory's most closely guarded secrets.
This incredible cheese waterfall never stops flowing during production, and it serves thousands of customers every hour. The chips are finished, the beef is ready, and now the legendary cheese waterfall finally comes to life. Behind these doors is the factory's most valuable ingredient, premium seasoned beef, prepared under strict quality standards. Utilizing advanced AI, every cut is meticulously analyzed for optimal freshness, ensuring only the finest USDA prime reaches the consumer. These colossal stainless steel grinders process thousands of pounds of premium beef every hour, ensuring perfect uniformity. Cascade of seasoned beef, precisely calibrated by synchronized robotics, ensures every chip receives its perfect complement of flavor. The freshest tomatoes, precisely cut for perfection. deep inside this factory is a robot capable of topping hundreds of nacho trays every minute with almost perfect precision.
Deep within this facility, one of the largest production lines in America prepares thousands of these loaded beef nachos for packaging.
This advanced modified atmosphere chamber injects a specialized food-grade freshness gas into every tray before sealing, while sensors constantly monitor oxygen levels.
Robotic arms gently position every loaded nacho serving with perfect accuracy, a marvel of modern food production.
This facility represents the future of manufacturing, where human ingenuity and robotic precision work in
From coast to coast, these trucks deliver the promise of premium flavor, arriving just in time for the lunch rush. Experience the perfect blend of bubbling sharp cheddar, juicy seasoned beef, and crispy tortilla chips.